こちらはマイク・ミラーさんです。はじめまして、マイク・ミラーです。アメリカから来ました。どうぞよろしく。
佐藤恵子です。どうぞよろしく。
Dawa sih.
So, kung pili ka presentation, so parang ganyan. May mga scenario kayo na you have kasi you have to create your scenario. Okay. So, based on the conversation a while ago, so
lahat ng choices
Lahat ng choices.
Sige, wala na sa breakdown.
Okay na. Good na.
Ng jeep. Kahit bus yun. Mas malala ka pag bus eh. Wala ka na dyan chance talaga.
Sige, kasi we almost lack time. Let me just share with you before I dismiss you. Class, the liability there on the jeep. First, you have to understand that the jeepney driver is just an employee. The one that will be really liable, class, is the owner of the jeep. Why? Because the owner is the one operating the jeep. Is there a contract between the jeep and the pedestrian? What do you think? What if, pag-isipan niyo yan for next meeting, what if on the other hand, class, yung jeep na sinasakyan ng 10 pasahero, as pasahero yung driver, there's a sobrang gago ng driver, nag-roll ang jeep, and it was lying now on its roof, injuring the 10 individuals and ultimately killing 1. Now, in this scenario, what would be the source of the obligation of the jeepney driver? Would it be contract? Or would it be quasi-contract? What do you think? And another thing, how about if LRT? Nasa LRT, let's say, pasahero ka. Pasahero ka ng LRT ng rush hour. Sakay ka sa LRT sa Doroteo Jose. Kung sumakay ka doon, sobrang puno ng platform. At nagtulakan yung mga pasahero. Sa platform ka pa lang ha. Nung nasa platform ka, nakita mo, sa malayo mo, na may isang babae na medyo maliit. At may malaking mama sa kanyang likod. At may mga nagra-rush na pasero na makakapot. Nung exact moment na yun, class, dumadating yung LRT. At yung train na yan, lost its brakes. May malfunction. Dahil sa tulakan, nagmamadali, sa masamang palad, nalaglag yung maliit na babae. Tapos yung LRT, na nagmamalfunction yung brakes, tumuloy na. At nakita mo na lang na yung gulong ng LRT naging kulay at amoy dugo. Now, question. What would be the source of liability of the LRT? Would it be contract? Or will it be debt? Or will it be quasi-debt? Ito, class, yung mga sitwasyon, gusto ko sana pag-isipan nyo, and we will be discussing more of these next. Thank you, class. At mag-ingat kayo dahil
Po tayo guys, pauwi na po tayo sa ano, nakatapos na po ng klase. Ito po. Ito po ang view po sa may ano po na, sa school po natin. Hanggang ngayon may nag-aaral pa rin po dito. May naka-aaral pa rin po, stampin na po. As you can see, may naglalaro po ng ano dyan, basketball. And then, let's go. Charlie, oh.
Charity yan eh.
Charity pala yan. Last day po namin sa, ano po namin, subject namin na ano, portfolio and investment. Asa sila? Bye!